Hello, it's me, Claude, the OCC Auto Guy. Do you like cars? Do you like working on cars? Then OCC is the place for you. We have 2 major programs with a whole slew of certifications for those looking to learn a new skill or advance their career. Let's talk about our program. First, we have collision repair. We have a fully equipped body shop where we focus on all things collision repair, from spray booth to block standing. You will get hands-on instruction in areas such as detailing, painting, and collision welding.
Wait, what? Really?
Yep. Now, let's talk about our auto servicing program. This program is about diagnosing a vehicle's issues, performing regular or scheduled maintenance, and training you, future technicians. OCC has all the latest high-tech, industry standard equipment.
What? Really?
Okay, so those are our programs. Let's chat about the 29 auto-specific certifications we offer at OCC. Yes, that's right. 29 auto-specific certifications like wheel service, auto diagnostic, and mechanical and electronic torque. All right, that's all the time we have for today.
What? Really?
Seriously? You again? Who is this guy? And remember, for all things auto, whether it's a degree or a certificate, OCC can help you start yours someday. I'm Claude, the OCC Auto Guy.